Cyan.
Mm.
That one, honestly, we
I
were
don't even know what
friends.
happened.
We were friends. She was a very difficult person to be around. An hour's enough. Bless you.
Thank you.
An hour is enough. It was enough. I don't know now. She seems like she's calmed down. Like she seems much better than what she was back then, you know. She was just a difficult friend, you know, so she would get really moody, and when she starts, I'm like, okay, that's my cue. Where's my Uber? Let me go home.
Give frontal
So,
lobe.
well,
No, it really does change things.
Yeah. Nah.
Yeah, you get calmer once your frontal lobe starts to develop.
Yeah, as you get older, you get calmer.
It's the frontal lobe, I swear to God.
Maybe it explains why I'm calm.
Yes, it explains that. Yes.
No, yes.
I don't have a frontal lobe.
True.
So yeah, with her, she was just a difficult person to be around, and she like would just say, okay, so I think maybe she thought I was trying to take her man at the club or whatever, but
you guys fought over a man. That was it.
Listen, we came from the club, right? And she was DJing.
Yeah.
So I go downstairs. She was at with propaganda. Ne? So I go downstairs just to support my friend, you know. And also I'm very popular, so there's nothing I can do. If people are screaming from get us wrong. And I'm just there to support my friend. As my friend, I expected you to pull me out of the crowd and just be like, come stand behind me at least. Like that's what normal friends do. Like, yeah, come
behind me.
Simple. Yo, I don't know, I stole a spotlight there. She just said a lot of stuff, and she got upset the whole night. And after that, she started saying things about me on the internet, and then I lost it. Back, and then
Wait, sorry, you guys seem very different from what I observed, like in terms of personality, lifestyle, and so forth.
I mean, we don't know.
So what was but like just from observation. So what was common that sustained the friendship?
What did you have in common?
Because sometimes you can just like someone because they're just a vibe. Like, I don't know.
I just liked her because she was a vibe.
Oh, okay.
You know, and I think with her, she just needed to be, like, she was a child when she was with me. Like, she wanted to do fun things. She wanted to go to Gold Reef. She wanted, like, she was a kid when she was with me.
Her age.
You get it? Yeah, she was her age. You know, you get what I mean? So I think for her, it was just a thing of like, yo, when I'm with her, I can be myself. I can man, you know? Shabo. And then that's what happened. But now we're cool. We're really cool.
I like both of you. Like,